Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create and post a video on a TikTok for a private so that no one else can access your video. To do that, you just need to open your TikTok application, and right after that, let's take a look on this button features down here. And there will be like 5 sections. You just need to go click this plus button right away. The next thing you need to do is just start creating the video. You can just choose the durations that you want. Here I use this 50% and here is the video. Let's just take a video first. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. I'll let to turn off the sounds here, so you just need to go click next right away. So if you want to make this video being private, you can just go take a look on this site, the everyone can view this post. You need to change it, become from the everyone become the only you. Just go click it, and then you just need to post it. So this content will only can be accessed by you as the owner of the account and the content. No one's gonna able to see this post until you manage the post visibility, become everyone or your friends. So that is the way how to post the content on a TikTok for private. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.